Here I have VIVO T2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly you should select preferred language. I'll just stay with English, tap Start. Then you should select preferred region. I'll stay with Austria. Then you have to agree with all above terms, tap Next. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also just skip this step for now and do this later in settings. Then you have to set up date and time. Then you have these Google services, which you can turn off if you feel like it. Then tap Accept. Then you can set up screen unlock, you can set up fingerprint or face unlock, but you can also just skip this step and do this later in settings. Then you can enable automatic system updates, or you can just install manually. Then you can send usage and diagnostics data. Tap Disagree. Then tap Next. Then you should select the system navigation mode. I suggest you to use gestures, but if you want you can use 3-button navigation. And device is all set up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.